Your business is growing, but where is the space for expansion, you think? Just look above. There it is. You can certainly create space among space with a vast potential to explore when it comes to storing products. But wouldn't that need costly and maintenance requiring bulky cranes and forklifts? What about safety and ergonomic conditions? And optimum utilization of space? Let's think. There is always a better way. Breaking barriers of conventional storing, Raptech has ingeniously designed a perfect vertical storage solution achieving great economy of space. Presenting Transtocker, an extremely easy to handle, fully automated system with loading and unloading lifts, making full use of your facility's height with utmost regard to operator safety and ergonomics. It saves logistics cost and time, where operator handles only one part at a time and rest is taken care by the system. Transtocker's loading and unloading lifts use servo brake motor instead of induction motor for accurate, easy and efficient transfer. Without the use of VFD, low carrying capacity and system safety is contemplated. Its buffer storage accepts parts from loading lift and stores it by gravity itself. Whereas unloading singling unit ensures easy release of parts on the unloading lift, making it swiftest and safest. Moreover, there is an independent access at an elevated area for servicing and maintenance. Return track avoids use of additional trolley, whereas HMI-based control system ensures level selection and troubleshooting. Sensors give accurate feedback and limit switches securing Poka-Yoke by maintaining absolutely glitch-free, smooth operation. Implementing ultra-modern infrastructure, Raptech ensures precise manufacturing using high-tech machine armory like 3D tube laser cutting. Furthermore, foolproof Transtocker improves your just-in-time capabilities significantly without any worry of overloading, part entanglement or downtime anymore. Raptech is getting ready to offer customized storage solutions for any light and medium-duty products and IoT integration with Industry 4.0. Transtocker is the only way forward, saving you lots of space and inventory handling costs while making it entirely safe with complete control, just at the fingertips of an operator. With Raptech's Transtocker, let's make every square feet count of your shop floor.